you doing today? This is Lance here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV, located here in Belton, Missouri. Today I want to talk to you about this beautiful 2023 Bay Star. It's a 3225 model, and I think Newmar did a great job. They knocked this one out of the ballpark. Previous Bay Star models, they actually didn't have a whole lot of sleeping unless it was a dedicated bunk model. What's really nice about this particular coach is this guy right here. They actually have a drop-down bunk that will come out of the ceiling, and it's going to have a 500-pound weight capacity. And then you've got a tri-fold couch right here that comes out. You can sleep 2 adults, and then across from the couch you've got this beautiful dinette that will break down into a bed as well. So small grandchild, but the width is actually really long. You're right around just a little over 6 feet, so you can still fit an adult there. And then you got a king bed in the back, so tons of sleeping for everybody. And what I love most about this too is you're 32 foot 10 inches, and you can get into most of your RV, like your national parks. So just a great little floor plan. Take the grandkids, take the kids, perfect coach. I want to start up here in the front. There are going to be this is going to be a new dash for 2023. So just starting up here from the left, you can see you got our equalizer, leveling system, a lot of your control buttons, but what I really like is that wireless phone charging system, so that you can see we got the new smart wheel system there with your cruise control. Pretty neat system. And then panning over here to the right, you're going to see we've got our 10-inch display. It's going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Sirius XM radio. Just a nice monitor to display your radio and different functions of that nature. And then in between the 2 front seats here, I love the little cup holders, and this does a really nice job of breaking out into the table. And then you also have another wireless charging station there on the passenger side. All right, so coming on back here, again, I do like seeing these little ottomans. These actually have 2 functions. You've got a nice hard surface here, so if you're gonna maybe break out a plate of food, you can sit there and eat that. You got a little storage on the inside of them, but then you also have this nice little cushion to be able to rest your feet. And you do have some generous storage here underneath the dinette. And then you do have a televator, which I'm going to pop out of here so you can take a look and see what that's about. So it's really nice that you can be sitting here on the couch actually facing your TV. It does come with a nice Bose sound bar. Now these cabinets are going to be amaretto cabinets. This is going to be a matte finish. Just a really nice look. I love this brass nickel hardware and the accent lighting here that you see inside the columns. All right, coming into the kitchen, you're going to see that we have really nice deep countertop, which is nice if you want to bring those extra appliances like your coffee pot, toaster, blender. You got room for it all. Nice double stainless steel sink, some generous overhead cabinet space, and look at all these drawers. Just tons and tons of drawers, and they're going to be soft close. Got your Whirlpool residential refrigerator. Now what I do like is this little hidden storage down here. So your little baking sheets and all that. That's a nice place to put those. And a great little pantry storage here just right next to it. Now you are going to have an extra large pantry system here as well, just across from the kitchen counter, so tons and tons of storage. Now this will be a mid-bath entry, and as you come into the mid-bath, I just love the design of that shower. Plenty of counter space there for your vanity, nice overhead medicine cabinet. Just a beautiful, beautiful bathroom, and I like that mirror there. So if you're getting ready to go out for the night, nice little feature. Now, this is also going to be new for 2023, is Bay Star's information center. So you can go through here, see your tank levels, your battery levels. You can set up your energy management system, so it'll auto start if your batteries get too low. Control your heating and all your lighting throughout the coach. Now coming into the rear bedroom, lots of extra nice space, huge king bed. I love the accent lighting that you're seeing here on both sides of the bed. You got plug-ins, 110 with a couple of USB ports on both sides. And I do like the fact that you get windows on either side of the bed for that cross ventilation. Now at the foot of the bed, you do have a really nice big closet space. You do have an outlet up there, and you've got a generous amount of drawer space down here below, and beautiful Samsung TV here. That's just a real quick peek of this beautiful Bay Star. If you guys would love to secure this coach, please feel free to give me a call. My name again here is Lance Ortega with Transwest. I'd love to help you. You can reach me at 208-290-5750.